Welcome to my German recipes. Today I want to show you how I make my own SKYR. I really like SKYR. It's very similar to our German Quark, and I showed 3 different methods of making Quark in some other videos that you can find here. The SKYR is a little more sour in taste, but it's very dense and I really like it. However, this costs $1.78, which is quite a bit of money. It's not entirely unreasonable because the milk that is used for that is kind of reduced by a lot. However, it's still too much for my opinion, and I can very easily make my own SKYR with just a few ingredients. So let's take a look at that. So first of all, I need milk. So I'm having 1 liter of milk, which is equivalent to about 4 cups. Then I have 200 grams of sour cream, a little bit of water, and some rennet. The recipe, like always, is here on my blog, and you can switch between the US customary and the metric system there. So let's start. It's quite easy. So first of all, I'm taking a large bowl and I put all the sour cream in there. And I'm adding a little bit of milk. And then I stir this. And I've seen that some people make this with whole milk, but originally, as it's made in Iceland, it is with skim milk. And the difference between Quark and yogurt and SKYR and yogurt is that Quark and also SKYR have like at least 3 to 4 times the amount of protein than yogurt, while yogurt has more calcium in it. So I'm mixing in the entire milk now. So, and I almost forgot to tell you, the milk has been heated to 38 degrees Celsius, which is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you use raw milk, you first have to boil the milk and then let it cool down to 38 or 100 degrees. And that way you will kill all the cultures that are not beneficial to you as a human. And while I'm using the pasteurized milk, and I just need to heat it to 38 degrees Celsius. And the culture that I need for this is actually in the sour cream. Now, in my next step, I'm mixing the rennet, like 3 to 4 drops, with the water. And I'm just adding this to this mixture. I'm mixing this and then bring the milk to a stop so it doesn't move anymore. Now this has to go at a place where it's warm. In my house, room temperature would be just fine because we have a very warm house. If you are one of the persons who cools their house down to 62 degrees Fahrenheit, then this will not be warm enough. In that case, I would suggest you put this into the oven with just the lights on. Control the temperature in the oven with just the lights. An oven thermometer is helpful in that case, and keep it like that. The oven in general is a good place to put it because it should not be moved at all and it shouldn't have any draft. And this will be in this draft-free warm place for about 10 to 12 hours. After this time, your SKYR will look like this. And then you have to strain it. And for that I'm using a sieve over a bowl and a cheesecloth. Just putting it in here. And now I'm just pouring it into the cheesecloth. And you can see that it is quite thick here. You can see that, right? Okay. So to make things a little faster, I'm using this method. I'm making a knot in the two opposite sides of the cheesecloth. And then I hang it on one of my doors, like this. Yeah, and I let this drain now for 2 hours, and then I have my skyr. So here are some more information. If you want to have a little bit of a sweet taste in your skyr, you can add a little bit of sugar. Don't use too much though, because the cultures don't like it. Then usually the skyr is enjoyed in Iceland with some blueberries. You can add some honey and some coconut flakes, some chocolate, some fruits, whatever you like. But there's also the ability to use the skyr for a drink, and for that just stir it very much and add a little bit of the whey that is just dripping out there back into it, and then just put some fruits or something that you like into that drink and enjoy it. So this is all about the skyr. It's very simple, very easy and fast to make. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you did so, and watch some more of my videos. Thanks for watching.